Hi friends, welcome back to Interactive Schooling. In this video, let us learn about HCF and LCM. In the previous set of videos, we had learned about divisibility rules. And this concept of divisibility rules was centered upon the concepts factor and multiple. Same here, factors and multiples. This HCF and LCM is also centered upon factors and multiples. So as you can see, HCF, the full form of HCF is highest common factor, and the full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. So common factor and common multiple. As I had mentioned in one of the divisibility rules videos, common factor means a factor which is common amongst two or more numbers. For example, 6, 12. Here we have the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Same way, common multiple is a multiple which is common among two or more numbers. For 6 and 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, all these numbers are common multiples. So what is highest common factor and lowest common multiple? So highest common factor is the factor which is of the greatest value amongst the rest of the common factors. So here we have 6. 6 is the highest common factor. It's of the greatest value. And 6 and 12, so 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, we have to find the one which has the lowest value. Here we have 12, lowest common multiple. So this is highest common factor and lowest common multiple. I hope you understood that. Now I have a question for you, which just try thinking about it. I'll tell you why, but still pause the video and take some time and think about it. Why don't we have LCF, lowest common factor, or HCM, highest common multiple? Why don't we have this? Just pause the video, think about it and then play. So now I'll tell you why. LCF, so that is lowest common factor. For every number there is a common factor, right? 1. This is the supreme factor for every number. 1 is a factor, the supreme factor. So if you take lowest common factor, 1 is always going to get the position, right? So 1 is always going to be the lowest common factor. Next thing that I asked you was, why don't we have HCM, highest common multiple? There are infinite numbers, right? So some of you would know up to 10,000, some of you up to crore, some of you up to 10 crore, some of you up to 10 crores. There are infinite numbers, right? So there is always some number to fill in here. So if I think 9999 is the greatest number, there will always be a next position. There will always be a number to claim to be higher, which claims to be higher than the number that I have written down. In this case, it's 10,000. So it keeps going, right? There is no end for multiples. So that's why you don't have highest common multiple. You can never figure out the highest common multiple. Yes, even in LCM there is a loophole. 0 is the lowest common multiple, but other than 0. That's what you have to take into consideration. So this is the basic about HCF and LCM.